So listen here. Whenever we are going for the trigonometric ratios and we are calculating the various things, some basic things you should have to know. That is, there might be the two types of triangles which are generally been asked in the exam. One is 30, 60, 90 triangle, and one is isosceles, that is 45, 45, 90. I'm just explaining both. Just concentrate here. Whenever I'm saying I'm explaining both, if you are observing, this is 30 degree, this is 60 degree, and here the third angle is 90 degree. Always keep in mind, if suppose the angle in front of 30, the side in front of 30 degree is x, then always keep in mind the hypotenuse is twice the side of 30 degree. म्हणजे जर 30 डिग्री साइडच्या समोरची साइड 10 असेल तर हायपोटेनियस किती असेल मित्रांनो 20 असेल. इफ the angle is 30 degree and opposite side to the angle 30 degree angle is 10, then this side is always 20. That means twice of that side. The one more thing, if I want to find out the side which is opposite to 60 degree, yes, how much it is? Yes, how much it is? Anyone? So here, if you are observing clearly, you can indicate AB square, that is hypotenuse square, is equal to AC square plus BC square. AB is 2x, so 2x bracket square is equal to x square plus BC square. So you will get 3x square is equal to BC, and hence BC is equal to root 3x. So always keep in mind the side opposite to 60 degrees is root 3 times to the side of opposite to 30 degree. So whenever you are drawing any 30, 60, 90 triangle, 30 degree opposite is x, hypotenuse 2x, and 60 degree opposite root 3x. So here, if you observe, you should have to know the basic things. There are generally the 4 quadrants. Whenever I say the 4 quadrant, that means if I draw a vertical and horizontal lines, then I will say the horizontal line is representing the x-axis. So this is x-axis and this will be the y-axis. So this is supposed to be the first quadrant. That is, if you measure from here in anti-clockwise direction, 0 to 90 is first quadrant. 90 to 180, I am measuring the angle anti-clockwise from x-axis. So 90 to 180, this is the second quadrant. Here it is 180 to 270, third quadrant, and last one is the fourth quadrant. Why I am going for this? Because here you should have to know one more thing, that is both are plus. Yes, here it is a minus plus, that is x is minus and y axis is plus. In this quadrant both are negative, whereas in the last quadrant x is positive and y is negative. The one more thing I want to go for before starting with the problems of trigonometry, that is, whenever you are drawing a full circle, always keep in mind, my dear friend, this is 360 degrees. So if I do 1 by 360, that is called as the degrees. That is called as the degrees. If I go for 1 by 60 of a degree, then that is called as a minute. 1 by 60 of the degree is nothing but minute. So always keep in mind, 1 minute is equal to 1 by 60 degrees, and 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. 1 second is equal to 1 by 60 minutes. So just see here, in this case what they say, given that 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. So what I will do at start, dear friends, I will just say here, let cot A is equal to 8 by 15. But whenever you say cot A is equal to 8 by 15, let I draw one diagram. Whenever I draw one diagram, let we say this is the diagram and this is A, this is the angle. Let we say this is the triangle ABC. Now my question is, cot A is equal to 8 by 15 means which side is 8 and which one is 15? Yes, anyone? No. So tan A
Like
is
this.
opposite upon adjacent. So cot is opposite to so that. So it is adjacent upon opposite. So this side will become 8 and this side will become 15. That is the first thing. If I know this, what I will do next? I say that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So it is a 8 square plus 15 square. That is nothing but 64 plus 225. So that is nothing but 289 and root of that I think it is 17. So what will happen? The AC is equal to 17. Now what they say? Find sine A. So what is sine A? Sine A is equal to, if I consider this angle dear friends, sine A is opposite upon hypotenuse and therefore it is 15 upon 17 and thereafter they ask me one more, that is sec A. What is the sec A? Sec A is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent because it is opposite to cos. What is cos? Cos is adjacent upon hypotenuse. So sec is opposite to that and therefore it is nothing but 17 upon 8. That is nothing but hypotenuse. Till I write in short, it is a hypotenuse upon adjacent, whereas in case of sine it is opposite upon hypotenuse. So see here what they have given, sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Whenever they say sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, first I draw here one triangle. Let this is a triangle. Let I say this triangle is ABC, in which let we say this is theta. Now whenever we say it is a sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, first thing you should have to know what is the sec theta. It is opposite to the cos. What is the cos? Adjacent upon hypotenuse. So sec theta is hypotenuse upon adjacent. So hypotenuse should be 13 and adjacent side should be 12. So it is very clear. The next thing is I will say, we know that in case of right angle triangle, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, BC square is equal to AB square minus AC square. But again, AB square is equal to 13 square minus 12 square, that is nothing but 169 minus 144, that is equal to 25. What it is? This is BC square, my dear friends. So the BC is equal to 5. Now if I get this, I should have to write all the trigonometric ratios. Before that I just write this. And now what is the thing we want to find out? Suppose sine theta. What is sine theta? Opposite upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is adjacent upon hypotenuse. Opposite to sine, I just said it is whenever it is S to C. So cosec theta is opposite to sine theta, that is nothing but 13 by 5. Those who are having a problem, you should know that it is hypotenuse to the opposite. Same thing, opposite to cos is sec, that is already given, but still if anyone is having a doubt, that is 13 by 12. And one more is suppose tan theta. If I say tan theta is, yes, what is tan theta, dear friends?
5 by 12.
Opposite
5 by
upon
12. Why? Because it is opposite upon adjacent. That means cot theta is opposite to that. That is 12 by 5. Is there any problem? No. So see here, what they said, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. First thing, I just simplify that given term because you are thinking it is something else. But I will say, it is nothing but, if you observe here, it is 1 plus x, a plus b and a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So I will say it is nothing but 1 minus sine square theta upon 1 minus cos square theta. Even if you treat it as it is, you will get the same answer, but I'm just been going to simplify. Second thing, what they have said, this is a triangle, and let I say this is theta. This angle is theta. If this angle is theta, what is cot theta? Cot theta is 7 by 8, but whenever I say 7 by 8, it is always adjacent upon opposite, so it is a 7 by 8. Now the thing is that I know that in this case, suppose I am saying this is a triangle ABC, then I know that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, that is equal to 7 square plus 8 square, that is nothing but root of 49 plus 64, that is nothing but root of 113 bracket square, that is equal to AC square. Okay, so what the thing is here, I can say here, I can say directly AC is equal to root 113. So I was just been saying here AC is equal to root 113. So here I am just removing these brackets. I can say here up to the second last point, here it is AC square is equal to 113. So AC is equal to root 113. Now what the thing is, if I say it is root 113, sine theta is equal to what? Yes, dear friends, what is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, that is 8 upon root 113 bracket square. But what the thing they have given, I will write it completely. It is equal to, it is equal to 1 minus 8 upon root 113 bracket square upon 1 minus 7 upon root 113 bracket square. So what it is, definitely in this case it will, whenever you are squaring, it is a 1 minus 64 upon 113 divided by 1 up minus 49 upon 113. So what it comes out to be, what it comes out to be, 113 in the denominator will get cancelled, but before that you have to take out the LCM. 113 minus 64 upon 113, same thing, 113 minus 49 upon 113, this will get cancelled, and definitely, so this comes out to be 49 upon 64. 49 upon 64, that is the answer for this question. Just check it here what I am saying. Suppose there is any triangle ABC as usual. I know that this is theta, but I know that according to the Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That means if I shift this one, what I will get? It is a AB square plus BC square upon AC square. I will show you one more thing. I know that it is a sine square theta plus cos square theta. Suppose I want to find out the answer of this. What is the sine square theta? Check it. Sine square theta is sine theta square, that is opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is nothing but BC upon AC bracket square. Cos theta is always AB upon AC bracket square. So if I square, the denominator is same. So what you will get? BC square plus AB square upon AC square. But you can check it here. AB square plus BC square upon AC square is always 1. So I can say this is nothing but equal to 1. So dear friends, always keep in mind sine square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. Now if I say this, I can check one more thing. If I say cos square theta, then I can shift this sine square theta on the opposite side. So that is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So cos square theta is 1 minus sine square theta, and if I keep this sine square theta and if I transfer this, then what will happen? I can say sine square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. So you can check it here. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sine square theta, but cos upon sine, this is a cos upon sine square, but that is nothing but cot theta. The square of this will be equal to cot square theta. So in this problem, even if you find the cot square theta, you can check it here. This is the cot theta is 7 by 8. If I find the cot square theta, that will become 49 by 64. And here also your answer which comes in a previous step is also 49 by 64. So always keep in mind the major derivation sine square plus cos square theta is always equal to 1.